research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, leather seats, dual power sun moonroof. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, exterior entry lights, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, roof rack. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.